Hello, wildlife lovers, and welcome back to another hotel and resort tour from Discover Wild Paws. Today, we are at the Golden Tusk Resort at Jim Corbett Tiger Reserve. We visited Corbett in the month of July, so the COVID measures were strict everywhere. Our car was sanitized before entry. The Golden Tusk Resort is just 5 minutes away from the Dhela and Jhirna zone entry gates, and it is a highly recommendable place to stay if you want to reduce your travel time from hotel to the safari gate. Jim Corbett is a huge tiger reserve with distances between two zones as long as 1 hour. For example, the distance from Garjia zone to Dhela zone is around 24 kilometers. And if you're living away from a safari zone gate, it might be a wastage of time just to reach the safari spot. It is always ideal to book your safari zones first and then look for nearby hotels. Dhela and Jhirna are among the top tiger sighting zones in Jim Corbett after Dhikala. So if you get a booking for this zone, Golden Tusk can be one of the options. This resort is quite big in area and there is enough space to park your vehicle, play around and relax in the lap of nature. There are many types of rooms in this property, ranging from different suites to villas to luxury tents. We were here on a weekend, so it was fully booked. We could only get the last available luxury tent. For the cost and other details, please read the video description. The experience in a tent is different from the experience in a suite room for many reasons. So if available, try and get a suite first. Overall, the property is beautiful with a natural view. Even though the cost is on a little higher end, the closeness from safari gates and the services offered makes it worth it. The food was decent quality as well, so no complaints about that. Whenever you visit Jim Corbett, you can book your own safari. The cost per safari including everything is Rs 4,000 only. However, some agents will charge you more amount just to make a booking on your behalf. You can self-book your safari from the official website. Let us know in comments if you need any help with the booking process. The Dhela zone, similar to Dhikala zone, has grasslands and it is a great part of the park to see wild elephants. It is extremely difficult to see elephants in Jhirna or any other zone of the reserve. On the other hand, Jhirna zone is a top zone for sloth bear sighting. The Golden Tusk Resort is so big that you need a bicycle or a golf cart to see the entire property. And that's why they have provided bicycles inside the resort for you to enjoy. We could see a lot of kids riding and enjoying their time here. In the past, we have been to a lot of wildlife reserves and made videos of the hotels we stayed in. We have added the link of our resort tour playlist in the video description below. So whenever you go to a tiger reserve, you can check out our videos and make the best choice for your stay. As we were taking the tour of the property, we reached the swimming pool area and we were shocked. We expected the pool to be empty, but to our surprise, it was full of people. With so many speculations around the third wave in India, it was a bit scary to see this. We hope whatever happened in the second wave is not repeated and we do not see any more pandemic related crises in the country. There is one more thing about Jim Corbett which makes it unique. Even though there are more than 200 tigers in this reserve, tiger sighting is extremely rare here. Even if you see one, it only lasts for 10 to 15 seconds. Only a few lucky ones have got a prolonged sighting here. Yet, what makes it so popular? The serene beauty of the park. With mountains and rivers and just a feeling of being surrounded by more than 200 tigers makes this place special, and that's why wildlife enthusiasts keep coming back to this reserve. So if you ever plan a visit to Jim Corbett, do not do it for the tiger, do it for the true experience of wilderness. We were in Dhikala last winters and during our time there saw so many tigers. We are also posting a Dhikala series simultaneously. The first episode was released last week where you can see how we met Sonu Nigam. You can watch that video from the link in description. We are always asked why do we visit only jungles? Why do we spend so much money on safaris? We smile and say, to find the answer to this question, one has to come on a safari and understand why we keep coming back. India is so lucky to be blessed with rich wildlife and jungles, and it would be a shame if we don't value it. This is the playroom of the resort, where you can find a pool table, a TT table and carom. In between your safaris, it is fun to just come to this room and play a game or two with your friends and family. Even watching others play is equally interesting. Okay, now let's show you our luxury tent and tell you the good and the bad things about it. The tent was fully air conditioned with enough space for 3 people. There was a small fridge inside and the washrooms were clean too. But there were no fans, so at night a few mosquitoes troubled us a lot. We asked the hotel staff to provide us with a jet mat to get rid of them, and they did. The other problem with lack of fan was that if you come out of a shower and there is water on the floor, it just wouldn't dry up. We don't know if there was a leakage or was it because of us. There was water on the floor throughout our stay. And finally, because the property is so big, it takes some time to reach the resort gate from your room. Overall, the room was clean, the staff was friendly and kind enough to address our additional request of early check-in and late check-out, even when they were fully booked. Our driver from Jim Corbett Tiger Reserve is an expert in tiger tracking. He is a man of composed attitude and will not make any false promises. He is one of the few drivers we have met who will not try to come out of the park before the safari time is over. A lot of others always aim to leave the park before safari officially ends. If you want to go with him, his number is added in the video description below. We did 3 safaris when we were here and he made sure that we could get as many animal sightings as possible. We got to see a lot of elephants and deer, but what was unique was the hawk eagle feeding on a monitor lizard. Have you watched that video we posted of that eagle brutally feeding on the lizard? If not, do it now. And finally, we also got a quick glimpse of a male tiger in the Chirna zone. He kept coming out of the bushes and then went back. Felt like he was playing hide and seek with us. All this happened so quickly that we could not capture it on our camera. But our visit to Corbett was truly a blessing. We never go disappointed from this place and would recommend you all to visit this tiger reserve at least once. I would also request you to share in the comments your safari experience. And finally, if you have not already, please subscribe to our channel Discover Wild Paws for more such wildlife content.